For XML HTTP query database, I will start by reusing the same file. Save as another and delete some code. This justCount.php consists of same include fadmin, same connection start script, SQL query command line, some variable for counting, result array to store all query, and if result not equal empty from query function, do while loop, associate fetch result to array, then memory free to clear RAM from server if not hog up, and close array object, and close MySQL connection. First of all, to test out PHP SQL, I remove some code. As you can see, PHP output the array of dates, meaning PHP file is working. Now to add men to my inventory usage. The underscore is to use as a separator for array later in JavaScript. As 10 years ago I didn't learn JSON. As I look at JSON, it is just an array, which later I found they can add security. Back to the part where I delete those code. In security you don't want people just put the URL on browser and query everything out of your table. So I invented this script. It check if server HTTP X request with is true, meaning if JavaScript query XML HTTP the PHP file, it will print out row count. If false, meaning other way, or browser query this PHP file, it will echo browser no display. In this way public cannot directly query my SQL table, except if they know JavaScript. This filtering beginner a way better than nothing. Now to explain the HTML file. Reuse from add would. Now pointing JS to just count and delete lots of code. And inside justCount.js, start with sysprep, which prevent refresh, pushing array 0 and 1 to URL, and simple XML HTTP query. Back to HTML file. Declare lots of array for later use. URL 0, 1 array, which in sysprep function will push process URL 0 then 1. Next, window onload, on start, run sysprep function, then simple count. Standard XML HTTP request, with XML HTTP.reposits as return value. Simple open with post. I hide the special code, explain later. Trying to print output to canosal.innerHTML object. Uploading file. Okay, the printout is not working. I still can call out the variable through console panel. Funny, the output should be no browser display. I think I forgot to upload JavaScript file. Finally, I got the browser no display response text. This is the same if you query from browser PHP file directly. Now I uncomment this line, turning on setHeader in XML HTTP request. And PHP file will pick up from $server http_x_request with. Update file again and let's see the result. As you can see, I got the return value 38 in my own array format. Now I pasting those declare variable in HTML file into JavaScript. First, the global cache data, meaning can call from HTML file and JScript file. Next is a variable for response text, and below is my parse method or conversion. Now is the reparse method, meaning I am building matrix array. Renaming to my inventory. When response text return, I get _empty_38_. Using evaluation with array split, I will get empty, 38, which is normal array in JavaScript. First is the name of the array, xxxx38, but my XXX is now empty. Second is the value 38, maying from array 0 + 1 to get second box. Then increase index to next XXX 39. Next form a object class name, xxxx, count, 38, and push object class into array cache data. Now upload file. Calling out cache data to see. As you can see, object 0 has inventory count 38 and name empty. This is my way of query through XML HTTP with no browser display. Recording down as memory.